This is a thing I've carried around with me for like 25 years now. It is a bunch of phone recording stuff that I used to kind of carry with me back in the day. But this is like a lot of it's really old. Like this thing, these two things are cell phone recorders, but they're more like for flip phones. This is like the Saul Goodman era of recording stuff. Hold on, can I make that? There we go. Yeah, it's a Radio Shack 17855. I think that's what it says. And yeah, it has the smaller little connector here that plugs into your flip phone, and then the normal size 1/8 inch connector right here that goes into a microphone slot of a digital recorder or any kind of recording device that you want. But they're pretty much pointless now because nobody uses these tiny connectors anymore. I don't know what they're called. So why do I have these taking up all this space? I'm gonna give those to Goodwill, along with my flip phone earpiece, headpiece thing. How cool is that? That's gonna be at your local Portland Goodwill if you want to look around for it. Here's another one. They look so shiny and silver and futuristic, and they have giant volume knobs that just stick out of the side of them. How cool is that? I'm so glad we do earbuds now. What else? What is this stuff right here? Oh, this is just a really long microphone. I think I last used this maybe at the beach on the coast when I was trying to do prank calls on the beach. But yeah, that's just a condenser microphone that I had plugged into a recorder. One of these two recorders, see, I've got the tape over the light on this so I could covertly put it in places. This one's cool because it has that thing on it, USB. Was it to charge the batteries? Oh no, that's just to transfer the whatever files it takes. Oh, it's an MP3 thing. I used to have one that didn't do MP3 files. Maybe I got rid of that one. But yeah, these were used to record phone calls of hijacked pizza lines. It's got these sticky things on it because once I stuck it to the back of a soda machine at a Motel 6 because we were messing with their customers, down in the rooms directly. And we wanted to hear maybe the lobby's reaction, but really all we got sound of was the soda machine's loud compressor. That was pretty pointless. I don't know what I was doing here. This is a cell phone. I would have been recording through a cell phone thing. Wait, no, this is just a stereo to mono. I don't know what I was doing. I guess I was going into a recorder and I had one end be a normal condenser microphone, and the other end was my earpiece. And this is a, what do you call a conduction microphone? You put it in your ear, and any phone you put up to your ear will be recorded into this thing, and also onto your recording device. I used this for the Walmart pranks, the Black Friday pranks. Maybe, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what this is for. I don't know what I was last doing with this. A card reader with micro SD. Here's a really old USB charging thing. That's because I had stuff like this, a Covert camera thing. There's a memory card in it. I already looked on it, and it's completely empty. That's because you have to keep stuff off of these because they only take a certain size memory card, And if you have a bunch of crap on the memory card, then it's not going to record. I don't know if it loop records, maybe, or if you just run out of space and it turns itself off. But yeah, that's another thing. That can go to Goodwill. I have a big pile for Goodwill here. I don't know what to do with this since it's like oily wires. Maybe a battery leaked on them. I think that's all of interest in here, though. I've got batteries. I've got a few audio connectors, audio converters. Like there's a mono to stereo thingy. And there's a little to big. This thing is a secret camera. If I want to look like a douche from the 90s with Bluetooth in all the time, I just put this on, but it's actually a little camera there instead of a microphone. Yep, good times with that thing. So that's my old recording kit that I put together back in the 2000s and has been growing ever since, but I don't really use it much anymore. You can just record things straight off your cell phone now. But I have done a lot of crazy stuff with all of the wires and crap in here over the years.